Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Today I am very excited to share you hard cross stitch pattern. I am thrilled to have you here because today we will discuss about hard cross stitch patterns. Hard cross stitch pattern is easy to stitch and you can create your own cross stitch pattern at home. So before start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. And if you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section. Give us a big thumb up, as you know that subscribing helps the channel grow and you won't miss out on any future tutorial. So let's get started. Hard stitch cross patterns for embroidery and cross stitch include traditional hard patterns, classic hard, simple and iconic design, hard with arrow, romantic and whimsical design, hard with flowers, delicate floral designs, Victorian hard, ornate vintage inspired designs, modern hard pattern, minimalist hard, simple and geometric designs, abstract hard, expressionist, modern designs, geometric hard, modern mosaic design, whimsical hard, fantastical and playful designs, watercolor hard, soft impressionist inspired design, hard with quote and name, love hard with quote, monogram hard with initials, hard with names, special message hard, memorial hard in memory of. Seasonal heart pattern, Valentine's Day heart, red, pink, and white, spring floral heart, color, floral design, summer heart, bright, beach, and inspired design, autumn leaf heart, golden leafy design, winter snowflake heart, delicate snowy design. Stitches used: cross stitch, satin stitch, long and short stitch, French knot, and back stitch. Fabric and thread suggestions: Ida cloth or even with linen, embroidery flows, variegated threads for added textures and interest. Metallic threads for modern sheen, cotton or silk fabric for unique textures. Tips and variations: experiment with colors and textures. Add beads or sequins for embellishment. Use different fabric types, e.g., cotton and silk. Create personalized designs with monogram. Mixed media, e.g., embroidery plus applique. Classic hard stitch pattern. Here are some classic hard stitch pattern. Traditional hard, classic hard, simple and iconic design, hard with arrow, romantic and whimsical design, hard with flower, delicate floral designs, Celtic hard, intricate knotwork designs, Victorian hard, ornate vintage and inspired design. Vintage inspired hard patterns, art deco, hard, geometric and modernist designs, retro hard, mid-century stylized designs, vintage floral hard, romantic and floral designs, antique hard, distressed vintage inspired designs, Edwardian hard, ornate elegant design, alphabet and monogram hard pattern, hard monogram personalized elegant designs, letter H hard alphabetical decorative designs, initial hard whimsical personalized design, family hard genealogical meaningful designs, heart of hearts, interconnected heart designs, nature inspired heart patterns, heart shaped leaf, delicate botanical design, floral heart with colorful floral design, heart with birds, whimsical nature inspired design. Tree of heart symbolic interconnected designs, heart shaped flower romantic and floral design. Stitches use cross stitch, satin stitch, long and short stitch, French knot and back stitch. Fabric and thread suggestions. Ida cloth or even with linen, embroidery, flows, variegated threads for added textures and interest, metallic threads for added sheen, cotton or silk fabric. Tips and variations. Experiment with colors and textures, add beads or sequins. For embellishment, use different fabrics type, create personalized design with monograms. Modern heart stitch pattern, clean lines and minimal detail, simple heart, geometric heart, modern mosaic design, abstract heart, expressionist, watercolor inspired heart, outline, simple, bold designs, tiny heart, delicate miniature heart designs, whimsical heart patterns, whimsy heart, fantastical playful design, heart with arrows, romantic whimsical design, heart with florals with leaves and dreamy heart. Modern quote, love is life, heart. You are loved, be mine. Heartfelt, spread love. Geometric heart pattern, chevron heart, modern zigzag design, herringbone heart, geometric chevron inspired hexagon heart, modern hexagonal designs, triangle heart, geometric triangle design, mosaic heart, colorful pixel designs, abstract heart patterns, watercolor heart, soft, expressionist inspired, expressionist heart, modern floral inspired, dreamlike, fantastical designs, and contemporary evening gray. Stitches use back stitch, front stitch, long stitch, French knot, satin stitch, and chain stitch. Fabric and thread suggestions, Ida cloth or even weave linen. Variegated threads, metallic threads for modern shine, cotton or silk fabric for unique. Now discuss about some tips and tricks for classic heart stitch pattern. General tips: use high quality fabric and thread. Use a hooper frame for stability. Maintain even tensions. Use good lighting. Stitching tips: start with simple stitches, e.g., cross stitch. Use contrasting threads for visibility. Vary stitch length for textures, keep stitches consistent. Use needle threaders for ease. Heart specific tips: use a heart shaped hoop or frame. Stitch from the center outwards. Use as stabilizers for intricate designs. Experiment with different heart shapes. Add embellishment. Design tips: balance composition with symmetry. Consider theme and occasions. Keep design simple for beginners. Use reference images for inspirations. Experiment with digital embroidery software. Troubleshooting: uneven tension, adjust stitching or use stabilizers. Thread breakage: use quality threads, avoid pulling distorted designs, restitch or repair fabric. Lost stitches: use a magnifier or tracing paper. Innovative ideas: create personalized gifts, incorporate quotes or lyrics. Use unconventional materials, design custom patterns, mixed media. Common mistakes to avoid: inconsistent stitching, insufficient tensions, poor thread quality, inadequate hooper frame support and resources, embroidery book and magazine, cross stitch pattern website, Pinterest and local embroidery classes or workshops. Tips for specific stitches: cross stitch used for filling large area, satin stitch used for smooth shiny surfaces, long and short stitch used for texture dimensional designs, French knot used for embellishment, back stitch used for outlines and details. So this is for today's video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section. Watch the video till end, and if you have any question, leave the comment in the comment box. See you soon in the next video. with many beautiful and unique ideas of cross stitch pattern. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.